I'm very happy also when I purchased these windows, because before my house with the other windows was really hot, and the air conditioner, is so expensive, but now is very comfortable. My house, you feel more secure and less air conditioner and not too hot like before. Was very good experience. The people work for Paradise is very professional, and did a wonderful job here in my house. I'm very happy. I really recommend Paradise. The windows is very good quality, and the price is fair. I don't think I pay nothing too much, and very good quality. I'm very happy. Very good, very professional, fast. They know what they are doing. I'm very happy with everything.